This is the unboxing video of Philips Series 1000 Body Groom Trimmer, model number BG1025. You can clearly see the product on the face of the box. It is a smart compact looking box over here. It says over here it has a skin protection system. Let's look at the side of the box. So it has 100% shower proof for easy cleaning. You don't need to replace the blade. It has a 3mm comb. It includes 3 AA batteries for optimal performance. It has a sharp cord for easy storage. Moving on to the back side of the box, it says over here it protects your skin even in the sensitive areas. It has skin protection system which guards your skin while trimming as close as 0.5 mm with a trimmer so that you can trim your hair in any direction. Here is the retailer information and their customer care number and email ID so that you can contact them in case of any queries or if you need any kind of information. Let's look at the bottom of the box. It says over here it provides 2-year worldwide guarantee, which is a pretty good deal. So let's look what's inside the box. So guys, these are the content inside the box. Here is the user manual. You can use it to know more about the product, or if you want to know how to use it, all the information I have provided in this user manual. Now moving on to our main product. This is our Philips Body Groom Trimmer. As you can clearly see, it's a beautiful looking product. Fits perfectly in my hand. It has an ergonomic design. As you can clearly see, it comes in black and grey color option, so looks premium. So this is the power button over here. You just have to flick the button up to turn it on and flick the button down to turn it off. This is the battery container. You just have to turn the handle like this and pull it out to open the container. The AA battery goes over here. The Philips also provides 2 extra AA batteries so that you can use it in the future. To close the battery container, again push the handle up again and twist it in the opposite direction. So this is how you can take out the battery or change the battery in the future. Now moving on to the blades of this trimmer. It comes along with a 0.5 mm blade for a close shave. If you want to go for a trim or if you want to trim longer hair, you can use this 3 mm comb over here, and this is how you can remove this 0.5 mm comb from the trimmer, and this is how you put the 3 mm comb on the trimmer for longer hair. Again, I am putting the 0.5 mm comb back on the trimmer. It also comes along with a brush, so you can keep your blade spick and span. What's more, it also provides a shower cord, so you don't have to worry about storing it. You can just use your shower cord and hang it anywhere in your house. Overall, it's an impressive product. That's all about it in this unboxing video. So guys, stay tuned for more such videos.